Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to prepare chicken light soup. So stay tuned as we move right into the video. So we'll be using hard chicken for this recipe. So I've added some tomato paste and some Remy chicken seasoning. You can use any chicken seasoning of your choice. And I'll add some salt and one chicken Maggi seasoning. Okay, so at this point I'm adding my blended ginger, garlic, onion, anise seeds, and some rosemary. So we are going to steam this for some time, and please bear in mind that this is going to be the saltiest part of your soup, so make sure it is well seasoned. I'll go ahead and add some fresh tomatoes to it, which I'll blend back into the soup when it becomes soft. I've already cooked my garden eggs, pepper, groundnuts, and Lima beans. While our chicken is cooking, I will go ahead and blend the garden eggs, pepper, Lima beans, and groundnuts and strain it just once. So now we'll go ahead and check up on our chicken. We want it to be well cooked at this point before we add the blended mixture to it. If you add it now all in the name of it will cook eventually, your chicken will end up being hard. So when the oil begins to settle on top like this, your chicken has been well cooked. So at this point, we can add the blended mixture to it. So now I'll blend the tomatoes and pour it back into the soup. So we'll cook this for about 25 to 30 minutes until it is well cooked and it reduces in volume a little. So while it's cooking, you make sure you taste and adjust the salt if it's not okay for you. So when the soup is ready, we'll be serving while it's hot with some fufu. Thank you very much for watching. Now don't forget to subscribe to this channel and leave on the notification button so that you will be notified whenever new videos are being posted. See you again in my next video.